All right, good morning, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed the past lesson blog that we have regarding polynomial equation. So for those students na talaga nahihirapan pa rin hanggang ngayon, gaya na sinabi ko, balik-balikan nyo lang yon, panoorin nyo lang, and then intindihin lang talaga. Okay? So, lahat naman ay tinuro doon kung ano yung mga style, system. Actually, kung may makakaisip pa kayo na iba pang way para mapadali yon, why not? Pero kung talagang nahihirapan kayo, well, I highly suggest na you just simply do the pattern na nakalagay doon sa lesson plan. Okay? So, the next lesson natin pag-uusapan is what we call zeros. Okay? Ang zeros at saka yung polynomial equation, actually, pareho lang. Actually, medyo pinaganda lang ang zeros. Actually, ang zeros is merely the roots ng polynomial equation. Okay? So, mamaya, mas lalo pa ninyong maiintindihan kung ano yung zeros na yan. Okay? So, by the way, I'm Sir Mark Moica. I'm going to discuss the zeros. Sana maintindihan ninyo to. At if ever man ay sana makatulong ito sa inyo. Okay, so let's proceed now with the lesson. So ang objectives ng lesson na ito ay, una, we have to define the zeros. So ano ba yung zeros na tinutukoy ko? Pangalawa, looking for the following zeros in a certain polynomial equation. Okay? And also, creating a polynomial equation using the following zeros. Okay. So, proceed na tayo. The definition of zeros, it is a root or a zero of a polynomial are the values of x that cause the polynomial to zero. Okay? So, yun yung zeros. So, meaning, pag sinabing roots or root na meron tayo, that is considered na zeros. Okay? Malinaw na. Kung sa polynomial equation natin, hindi ako gumamit ng zeros doon. Pero merong product of zeros, test the zeros. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ko by zeros. We are still reflecting on the roots ng polynomial equation. Okay? So, yung iba dito, alam na ito. So, kung minaster na yung polynomial equation, madali na to para sa inyo. Okay. So, finding zeros, let's have a problem. The equation, polynomial equation of 6x cubed plus 31x squared plus 25x minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, now, again, yung ating, ano kaya ito? That is P or Q? This is Q. And this is our P. So, ang ating mga factors, again, 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, positive or negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 3, and positive negative 6. So, may iba nagtatanong, sir, paano ba nakakuha yung mga factors na yan? Simple lang. Just look on 6. Ano ba yung mga factors meron ng 6? 6 and 1. 6 times 1 is 6. 3 times 2. Yun lang. Aside dun, wala na. Okay? Ganon din dito sa ating P. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, which is are all positive or negative. Okay, so pag sinabing 12, 12 times 1, 6 times 2, 3 times 4. Other than that, wala na ibang factor ang 12. Okay, so kailangan dito mahasa na yung factorization ninyo. You know how to factor out a certain constant number para at least hindi kayo mahirapan sa paghahanap ng tinatawag nating P and then Q. So, the next step is do the process P over Q. Okay, ganyan lang kasimple. Medyo mabilis lang tayo kasi nadaanan na natin ito sa polynomial equation. Okay? So, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapanood ng polynomial equation, panoorin nyo muna to para hindi kayo magulat dito sa zeros na meron tayo. Okay, it's actually a continuation lang naman. Okay, so here we have the possible roots. This is what we call possible roots. Okay, and then all of this we will going to form a trial and error process. Actually, this process is applicable talaga sa mathematics. Sabi nga nila, hindi naman lahat ng mga ginagawa natin ay sumasakto o tumatama tayo. May mga time na nagkakamali din tayo. Kaya nga itong trial and error process is kailangan ninyo. If you want to be good in mathematics, the trial and error process is the process na kung saan ginagawa ninyo. Gaya na sinabi ko, Hindi sa unang pagkakataon, madali nyo masosolve ang mga bagay-bagay. May mga times talaga na talaga nahihirapan tayo at hindi natin nakukuha o natutugma yun. Basta make sure lang sa trial and error process, once na nagka-error tayo, huwag na nating ulitin sa susunod nating trial. Okay? Para bang nagmahal ka tapos nabigo ka. O syempre, ano ba yung isipin mo kung bakit ka nabigo sa pagmamahal mo? So pag nabigo ka na, huwag mo nang ulitin sa susunod pa na magmamahal ka para hindi ka na ulit mabigo. So ganun lang din ang mathematics. Okay? So pasok na tayo. By the way, this is not love, ha? This is mathematics tayo. We are talking about zeros. Okay, so let's work now. P over Q. So we will going to see ano yung mga real roots out of this possible roots na meron tayo by means of trial and error. Again, we will use the synthetic division in order for us to find the real roots or the zeros na meron tayo. Okay, so use the synthetic. Medyo mabagal yung aking So, since ito nagdiretso na ako sa negative 4 kasi nagawa ko na to lahat eh. So, 1, 2, and 3 medyo hindi pumubra sa akin. So, I'll try to negative 4 kagad. Okay? So, I have 6, I have 31, 25, negative 12. Take note ha, paglalagay natin sa synthetic. Kung ano yung sign dun sa polynomial equation, yun din dapat ang sign na ilalagay natin dito sa synthetic division. Kasi pag nagkamali po kayo ng lagay, hindi nyo na makukuha ang tamang sagot. Okay? So please be more observant, be more critical pagdating sa mga signs na meron tayo. Again, 6 bring down natin just like we are told to do so. So 6 multiply natin kay negative 4. This is negative 24. 31 and 24, that is equal to 7. Okay, so 7 multiplied by negative 4, that is negative 28. 25 less negative 20, less natin kay negative 28, that is negative 3. Negative 4, negative 3, that is positive 12. And then therefore we have 0. So since that is 0, ang akong ginawa ko, I'll try to work kagad dun sa tinatawag nating factorization dito eh. Kasi madali naman eh. Meron ako na naririnig na iba na gumagamit ng ibang process. Sabi ko nga, okay lang naman yon, wala namang problema. Kaya lang, since dapat kayo, masanay na kayo sa ganitong klaseng proseso. Okay? Lalo na dun sa pag-dissect nitong ating mga equations. Okay? Na paghahanap ng mga factors and the real roots or the zeros. Okay, so pag nakakita kayo ng ganyang problem, I know this is applicable na grade 8 yata kayo, alam niyo na to, or grade 9. Siguro naituro na to sa inyo, pero iulitin ko lang. Kung ano yung ginawa natin dun sa polynomial equation, ganun din ang pattern na gagawin ko para mabilis lang tayo. So, ang factor ng 6 is 2 and 3. At a factor ng 3 is 1 and 3. Take note, wala akong nilagay na positive or negative sign dito. Just plain positive lang talaga. Kasi mamaya malalaman nyo kung bakit. Okay, so if you see the factor already ng 6 and factor ng 3, dito gagawa na ako ng 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 1. Sir, bakit ka naka-derive kaagad ng 3x minus 1? Okay. Ang derivation ko ng negative tsaka positive is yung nasa middle term. Kung ang middle term natin, which is positive 7x, nag-gauge ko na kagad na yung 6x squared natin, syempre galing siya sa 2 times 3. O, diba? Pwede naman 6 times 1. Kaya lang hindi ko na kinuha yung 6 times 1 kasi medyo maguguluhan ako. Medyo malabo talaga. Pero I work with 2 times 3. Again, I use the trial and error process dito. So, ganun din ang gagawin ninyo. Now, since 2 times 3 is 6. So, bakit ako nag-derive kay yung 3 na kay positive at yung negative 1 naman, yun ang ginawa ko, yung 1 yung ginawa ko negative. Ganito lang ang process ko. I'll try to multiply 3 dun sa 3x. So kung meron akong 3 times 3x, I have 9x. Tama? So pag minultiply ko yung 2x kay negative 1, I have negative 2x. So positive 9x minus 2x, I have 7x. The deciding factor parate kung whether positive or negative yung constant na ilalagay nyo sa mga x na yan is on the middle term. Okay? Parating sa middle term kayo nakatingin. Siyempre, verification na lang yung last term ng constant natin na negative 3. Well, positive 3 multiplied by negative 1, still negative 3 naman din ang kalalabasan niya. Okay? So, more on ano lang tayo, more on trial and error lang tayo, tsaga-tsaga lang para makuha natin ang tama. Okay? So, alam ko yung iba nag-confuse pa, ulit-ulitin na lang to or pag-aralan din sa bahay. Marami namang means and ways kung paano makuha to ng tama. Pero para sa akin, ganito ang style na ginagawa ko. Okay? You can do your own style if you want. Hindi ko nililimitahan kayo. Malaya kayong gumawa ng gusto ninyong mga proseso. Basta make sure lang na tama po yung inyong ginagawa at mag-derive kayo sa tamang sagot. Okay? So let's proceed now. So finding the series of 6x cubed 31x squared plus 25x minus 12 is equal to 0. Equate natin yung ating mga nakuha. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So again, pag in-equate natin, lagay natin yung 3 doon, yung negative 1 on the other side ulit. So you have, since positive, naging negative. Yung negative natin, okay? So yung gusto ko ma-eliminate yung 2. So magiging, nag-multiply ako by 1/2 both equations. So I have 1/2 times 2x, 1/2 times negative 3. So therefore I have x is equal to negative 3 over 2. And then dito sa 1, ganun din. So kung nilagay ko yung negative 1 sa kabila, naging positive 1. Take note of the change of sign na pag dumaan sa equals. Okay, so dinivide, nag-multiply ulit ako ng 1/3 both equation. So 1/3 times 3x and then 1/3 times 1. Still I have 1/3. Okay, so bakit 1/3? Just to eliminate the 3x na meron ako para x na lang may. Okay, so here, ang mga zeros na meron tayo, based na sa ginawa natin ay 4, syempre 1/3, at saka 2/3. Okay? So may mga negative. Pero dito lumalabas lang na dito sa possible roots, makikita natin yung mga real roots na meron tayo. Okay? So ang ating mga zeros na meron tayo ay negative 4, negative 3 over 2, and 1/3. Okay? So madali lang siya, di ba? Okay, let's start another. Find the polynomial equation using the zeros naman. So tapos na tayo sa una nating ito using the zeros na naman. So zeros natin, still 1. If we have 1, negative 5 over 2, and then 2/3. Paano ba natin nahanapin ang polynomial equation dito? Again, test this one to 0 property. Okay, x is equal to 5 over 2 at x is equal to 2/3. So, yung negative 5 over 2, I multiply 2 just to eliminate yung over 2. So, this is 2x and then 2. You notice na tanggal na natin yung 2 and then negative 5 na lang. But yung x is nagkaroon ng 2x. And then, minove ko yung, mamaya pa pala yun. Dito naman tayo sa 2/3. So, 2/3, 3 yan. So, I multiply both sides. So, both sides, equation of the side to 3. And then, just to eliminate yung over 3 to sa 2/3. So, I have 3x. Since nakompleto na, medyo kamukha ng x is equal to 1, i-move ko na yung 1 sa loob ng x, doon sa side ng x pala. And then, magiging 0 na yun. At ganun din sa negative 5, ganun din sa positive 2. So, yung x is equal to 1, pag nilagay natin sa kabila, that is x minus 1 is equal to 0. The same also true with 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. And 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again, once we have the factors now already. So the factors ng x minus 1 is equal to 0 is x minus 1. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 is 2x plus 5. And 3x minus 2 is we have 3x minus 2. So since nakuha na natin ito lahat, now it's a time for us to multiply these factors na meron tayo. So again, you can choose the larger number kagad para mabilis, or you can choose the smaller one hanggang mabilis. So nasa inyo, kanya-kanyang style lang yan. But still the same pa rin ang kalalabasan. So I choose 2x plus 5 tsaka 3x minus 2. Medyo complicated pero mas masarap. Sabi nga nila, the more na complicated, the more na nag-i-enjoy yung mga mahilig sa math kasi math is more on problems to solve. Okay, so 2x and 3x. So this is 2x times 3x, 2x times negative 2, 5 multiplied by 3x, 5 multiplied by negative 2. So I have 6x squared And then 2x negative 2 is negative 4x. 5 times 3x, I have 15x. And 5 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 10. So since negative 4x and positive 15x, magkaiba ng sign. So I took the larger sign, which is positive, and subtract. Sinubtract yung 15 minus 4. So I have now 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. Okay, I hope that is clear to you. So since I have 6x squared plus 11x minus 10, okay, multiply ko ngayon sa natitira nating x minus 1. Again, pa isa-isa ang ginawa ko. So 6x squared and then 11x and then negative 10x. Lahat yan nilagyan ko ng x. And then followed by the negative. So negative 6x squared, negative 11x, and then positive 10. If you notice this kind of process, ang ginawa ko para mas mabilis. Alam ko na kasi na 11x times x is x squared. So yung negative 6x squared, doon ko na nilagay sa ilalim. Okay? Para pag nag-multiply ako, alam ko na kagad na ima-minus ko sa 6 after I multiply the x. Meron tayo. So here, I have now 6x cubed, 11x squared, negative 10x, and then minus ko sa negative 6x squared, negative 11x, plus 10. So I have now yung 6x cubed. So this is 5x squared. 11 minus 6 kasi is 5. So negative 10, negative 20, negative 11, since both of them are negative, I just simply copy their common sign and add 10 and 11. So I have 21. You notice yung 10, wala nangyari kasi wala naman siyang kamukha. The same also with 6x cubed, wala naman siyang kapareha. Okay, so ang polynomial equation natin, the following zeros of 1, negative 5 over 2, and 2/3 is 6x cubed plus 5x squared minus 21x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay? So I hope that is clear to you. Okay. So tatandaan ninyo, you have to repeat again, watch again, listen, and try it into your own. Kasi tatandaan ninyo, mathematics is more on trial and error lang talaga yan. So the more you practice to yourselves, the more na magkakaroon kayo ng idea, mas lalong titibay ang foundation nyo sa math. At kahit anong ibigay na problem sa inyo, especially polynomial equation, especially in finding the zeros, hindi kayo mahihirapan kasi alam na ninyo kung paano ninyo gagawin, hahanapin, at mag-create ng panibagong polynomial equation using the following zeros. Okay? So I hope that is clear to you. Medyo maiksi lang tong video natin. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next lesson na meron tayo. And please guys, take care of yourselves at wag po dapat tayong magkasakit. At tatandaan natin na mas importante ang kalusugan natin. Okay? So, God bless and I hope to see you guys. Sana ay manatili kayo sa ating channel and ulit-ulitin lang to. Try to share this one to your friends, especially those person na nahihirapan sa mathematics. Okay? Hope to see you on the next vlog, guys. God bless. Bye!